Balenciaga cigarettes in tiny liquor bottles, just what you expect inside a new Balenciaga.
Let me ask you one question to you all. What do you think when you hear a word Bihar or Bihari? As far as I think, most of you will think either labor or UPSC exam. But also there is a lot of thing above from all that. Nowadays, Bollywood and nepotism is a trending topic on social media or internet. So if you will talk about Bollywood, then there is a lot of actors from Bihar who had done a great job and also performing well job in Bollywood. I think it's not necessary to name all of that actor because my way to express love or respect for any other is something different from another. Oh, it's matching. It's became a quote. Because everyone has their own way to express their feeling or expressions. So leave it because what's your way to express your feeling, it's on you, and what's my way to express my feeling, it's on me. And if you will Google actor from Bihar in Bollywood, then you will get a number of list. You know one most important thing? The stereotype for other about Bihari is that they all will pick gutka, khaini and so much of other tobacco products. But it's not true. Because place or thing don't describe your goodness or badness. So be remember this. One of the most popular stereotype about Bihari is that all the Bihari will talk with any another person by pronouncing hum, not main. Another is that all the Bihari will give respect to any others. I don't know it's right or wrong for nowadays. Because nowadays if you will give respect to any other, then he will think you are weak. Is it true or not? I think it's right because I experienced this thing. Also, there is a lot of a stereotype about Bihar and Biharis. If I didn't have covered all those topics, then please forgive me because as far as I think I have covered all that topic which is necessary and which is popular a stereotype about Bihar and Biharis. Also, there was a great mathematician whose name was Vasisht Narayan and a great poet whose name was Ramdhari Singh Dinkar. Means there is a lot of person who done a great job for our country, who belongs from Bihar, but people will not think all about that because उगते हुए सूरज को सब सलाम करते हैं, डूबते हुए को बहुत कम लोग करते हैं. So if you all will relate with these topics who had covered in this video, so don't forget to subscribe this channel, like this video and share this video with your friend. Sorry, it's formality. It's necessary to say it on YouTube. You can understand.